A viewer messaged me a couple of days ago. He left a comment on one of my videos. He asked me what settings I'm using for the K688 by Fi-Fi. In today's video, I'm going to show you what exactly I'm using. But just a quick disclaimer, the settings are not mine. I just copied the settings from YouTube. If I find the original video, I'm going to make sure to leave it in the descriptions down below. But you can use the settings for a dynamic, USB and condenser microphones. Will work pretty well because the settings are built in the OBS. Now, how to find the settings? So as you can see, I'm using the SM7B right now. So if you press the three dots and then if you go to filters, you'll find the settings here. If you don't find this exactly settings you see here on the left, if you press the plus, you'll find all the settings here. So yeah, pretty cool. Now, if I remove the EQs, leave it to a normal, you'll see the microphone sounds good, but yeah, with the settings, the microphone sounds much better, richer, so you got the point. So it's better to use the settings. Not all the time though, but depends on your voice. Let's put the settings back now. As you can see, the settings are perfect. Let's start with the gain. So just copy the settings and you're gonna be fine. Let's start with the gain. So as you can see, the gain is 27.20 dB. Yeah, again, depends on your microphone, but I'm using the SM7B. I'm using some other dynamic microphones and the settings, they work fine. So just copy the settings on the screen. So start with the gain. So this is very important here. If you don't have a good CPU, choose low quality. If your CPU is good, choose a best quality, good quality. So it depends on your CPU. 3-band equalizer, as you can see, you can copy that. Expander, as you can see, you can copy the settings, as you can see, you see on the screen. Make sure to press pause. Also, we have the compressor here. Again, press pause on the video so you can see. And last but not least is the limiter. So yeah, you can copy the settings. There we have it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna post this video straight away. And let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the settings for the OBS Studio? Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. And let me know what microphone you're using in the comment section below. And do you happy with the settings? Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.